twice the life of standard incandescent bulbs. Best value. Original equipment quality seal for the most reliable performance. Always replace in pairs to ensure a symmetric light beam from both bulbs on the road. Bulbs dim over time. Miniature bulbs by Philips. For over 100 years we have been continuously innovating automotive lighting. Philips LongerLife replacement mini bulbs are for drivers who want the best value for their money. Thanks to their filament design and gas fill mixture, these LongerLife miniature bulbs last longer than standard incandescent miniature bulbs. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement to OEM brake light. Used these lights to replace the brake lights on a 2015 Subaru Crosstrek. They fit perfectly and were very easy to install. This 2-pack was slightly cheaper than the local auto parts store. When replacing the bulbs, after inserting them in the bulb outlet, but before installing them back in the tail light. With a paper towel or clean cloth, wipe down the bulb so that any oils that may be on your hand that have transferred over to the bulb while replacing it are taken off.